Hey yo, what's up y'all boys, guys or ladies and gentlemen, I don't know better way, but yeah, bro, today bro, we're going slut with a glockS, bro, glockS for real, man. Alright bro, this video gonna be, like, I'm sliding people, bro. I'm sliding dead off, man. Alright, so this video gonna be hit, man, so go crazy, it's tough, bro. Look at glockS here, drum glockS drum, bro. It's a drum meal, look at magazine here, bro. Alright, so first we started into the video game, hit a like and the subscribe. Now man, no kid, bro, no cap, bro. I mean, yeah, come on, let's start into the video, man. Hey, today, bro, I don't know why I'm doing so many videos, but yeah, let's slide, man. No cap, bro. This server like a little bit clean for it. Oh, so today I'm using this card, Chavi Tahua. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah. Alright, so I think we got some opps here, bro. We got some little bit opps here. I don't know who he is. Who that there, man? Hey, do I kill people right there? Like, killing people? Crazy. Hey, this server is really crazy, bro. Hey, this server is like clean, man. Let's see. Some gang here. Where is the gunshot, my? On me shooting, G? Hey, G, you died, bro. You died, G. Yeah. Man, I don't want to know loot, man. But this is cool, by the way. I don't want to do nothing. Bro, I'm freaking. Oh, whoa. And this guy got some heavies, man. Jeez. Whoa. Hey, I will kill the red thing, guys. Red guy
Stay down, disappear and pull up. Cause what they need to do, got him in, put him out the room. They know what we do, close
why are you running, bro?
weird, all they want is loot.
You don't know,
and I'm sliding with 6 banging out for you.
G!
Don't know how to move it, will got flock to make
okay, G.
How about on feet, they know and I go cool.
Okay. Okay, G. I don't want no gun, by the way. Bro, why they so running? Why you keep running, bro? Hey, bro, this glockS is crazy, bro. Opps, hey. Whoa, why you kill this guy, bro? Hey, yo, bro. Hey, yo. Yo, weird, bro. Hey, yo. Nah, this guy never know. Who think I am, bro? Hold on. Kill the snow. I don't like really snow on here. Snow made me mad, man. My game laggy, bro. Guys, my game laggy. I don't know why, bro. My Wi-Fi ass, bro. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Okay, no. Hey. Oh, this guy down like that, huh? Oh hell nah. Hey bro, everyone shoot him out, kill him, bro. He ain't gonna love me. Bro. Hey yo, for real. Hey, this is what I'm talking. Alright, so my goal. I wanna get like 5 likes in this video. Can y'all do it? I just wanna get 5 likes in this video, gang. Can y'all hit it for me? It's for free, bro. The like is for free. Just do it. You can do it. Hey, come on. I'm doing the bullshit. Bro, I don't know why I'm killing today. Man. I'm gonna win this shit. Man, you die, man. You ain't gonna lie, man. And you die also, man. Everywhere K, you feel me? Bro, ain't no way I miss every shot like that. Ain't no way I miss every shot. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, ain't no way I miss so many shots, bro. Hey, what's up with this? Man, you gonna die, bro. You gonna die, bro. I don't like no gun, bro. Man, y'all saying why I'm not looting? Y'all, look at this. Look my safe. Look at my safe. That wow. Oh shit. Oh, hey, stop playing with me, bro. Who's that? Like she said, look at this, bro. And my game keep lagging. Is that me lagging? Oh my god. Y'all see it? I'm laggy or this game laggy, bro. Bro. Shit, this is my... Bro, I told y'all, my game being oh, I'm putting shit out like 3. Bro, my game started laggy, bro. Yeah. Don't worry, gang. We are on that. We are on that. Don't worry, gang. Oh shoot. Cause this car is something soft for me, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Put the light on. Ooh, look at that shit, bro. Ain't gonna lie, bro. I messed up, cause I'm lagging. Y'all see it already. I was lagging. I was so lagging, bro. I was so lagging, bro. Hold on. Something in here, bro. More better than anything. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. Ah, here's my ops here, bro. Hey, this game got so many times like laggy on me, laggy, bloggy. Like damn, I'm not. Like damn, bro. Why my game is so laggy, bro? I can't even play sometime, bro. Like tell why I'm putting this off, like this one. You see? But I can see what time I laggy, what time I'm not laggy. Like, I finna crash out, G. So, damn! Forgot that shit. Shit, man. Oh, you dog, bro. Yeah. I know that, bro. Hey, we on it, man. We on it, man. Nice. I'm gonna buy some bullet here. Gonna see. Bro, oh, goodness, bro. Why I'm not think about that? I was forgot someone on there. So, yeah. I'm stupid. I know. I'm stupid. I know. You wanna crash out? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? Tahoo, tahoo, tahoo. Chavy tahoo. Man, put this guy here, man. There's ops here, man. Man, what the hell, man? Man, what the hell? What I'm doing? I ain't kill. Hey, bro. This gonna make me mad. But ain't gonna care about that. I'm gone. I'm gonna slap my ops. The blue. This one. Of course he, man. He's stupid. Man, he did, man. Who did? He died. Man. What are you talking about? Man, this car crazy, bro. Hey, this car cannot drive, bro. Hey, G, he's stuck. He's stuck, by the way. Come on, bro. Pull off, man. Let me see how good you are. I wanna check it out. You feel me? Come on, pull off. Oh my freaking days! This car cannot drive. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, bro. What? Oh my freaking day! I'm laggy. Serious? Come on, come on, pull off. Yeah! Smoked it! Yeah, you feel me? Smoked it. Hey, this gun will take. Oh shit. Oh shish. Oh shish. By the way, look at this. Crap, damn it, bro. Hey, thank you for the ARP now. 5.7. Glock 34. Glock extended and Glock. Yeah. Hey, hey, spam W in the chat. Spam W to glockS. Spam W. Yeah, for sure. But right now, I don't know what I gotta put right now, bro. My TV's got, bro. Hey, for this, for this, for this. Oh, got glockS also, bro. ARP now, where it? Oh, here. Nice, 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 nice. So, if I someone sell it, let it sell. I don't know what we got this one sell. Bro, why? Turn off. This gun is kind of good, so good. I cannot sell it. Somewhere I cannot sell it. I don't know why. You see how I hear that, man? Oh my goodness, I know it. I know we cannot sell it. I know it, bro. Cause I tried already. Look at this. Look at this. I got two of this. Gee. And my safe is full. I cannot put nothing, bro. Hey, GG. I won't give this guy. Okay, I want to give this guy a gun. Standard. I'll give you a gun. I'm good. No problem, game. I will sell 2 guns for 500 bucks. Is that fair? Nah, I don't want to do it, bro. Aim goes like. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Come on, we on that. Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I? I know that guy gonna be there, man. I don't kill him. This is arcade. I don't really like arcade. Hey, bro, if I die, bro, I'm leaving the game. So fast, so quick. Don't worry, cause like I got so many guns on me. Oh, here we go. I'm leaving so quick. Damn. I know it. I lose so quick. Y'all know it. You'll see. Alright, so sorry about that. So thank you for y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And the like is for free, so you can click it. And yeah, please do it, man. I need some likes, some views. Alright, so thank you for watching, my guys. Y'all, thank you for watching. See you all guys in next video. So quick, so simple. Bye, y'all.